Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I was going to finish the rain gutters and this downspout looks a little bit ugly. We're hoping to get something nicer for the front yard. Eventually we want everything to look pretty good for our neighbors. Let's do some research and see what's out there. I didn't even know these existed. They are called a rain chain. Unfortunately, none of it is being sold around us. We will order it. While we wait for that, I will install some of the gutters. I adjusted this segment a little bit because from the last storm, water was pooling in the middle part and our roof just happens to sag there. It doesn't look very good, but I had to really exaggerate the slant. And I don't mind the water going over here more because eventually we want to have a dry creek here, and that will be majority of the storage for water. Let's figure out where we want the rain chain to go. These are the pieces I am going with. The rain chain will come down somewhere over here. I was gonna keep working, but the sun is going down, and I also forgot my caulking gun is broken, so I need to go buy another one. We will resume tomorrow. I have the rain gutters put up. Here is the rain chain my wife decided to go with. And we also needed to buy an adapter. Let's get it put in. The good news is we got it up there, but this part does not look correct. I think I have to buy another one of those pieces and maybe have a little bowl down there. Video number 106 done.